Right. Yes, sir. We are
Hello,
live.
hello, guys. Yes, we are live. Okay.
So your camera is turned off, sir.
Actually, okay. So, yep. Hey guys. How are you? Good evening. Okay. Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening. I'm good. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Hello. Damn. This thing is really annoying. Let me just fix that first. Yeah. Hmm. It's gonna do. Can you hear me now? So then let me know. Yeah, this net thing will definitely gonna get fixed like a 1 and 2 day because this is something is really bugging me also. But yeah, I'll tell you agenda, guys. I'll tell you agenda. What is today's agenda? It's pretty much straightforward. Okay, so now I'm audible now. Cool. Guys, quickly log into your WordPress account, and we're just gonna launch a site. Whoever site is ready. If it is not, then it's still fine. I'll just show you how to do it. Great, guys. Everybody, please log into your WordPress account. Okay. This is the one. So guys, you need to be at on home page. So domain will read like wordpress.com home/whatever domain name that you've selected yesterday. WordPress.com here. Once your email is verified, you will see here email is verified. And before this box, you will see one more box which says set your menu. You can skip for now. Once you do that, you will see this particular button. You will see launch your site. And if you click this, your site will be live. Okay.
Sir, could you repeat once cause your screen was not visible?
Okay, now is it visible? My screen is.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible. Please repeat once.
Yeah, I'll repeat it. Let's just play this video. Okay. So agenda is today. I'll just show you how to launch your website. Okay. No need to launch it now because you have not. I'm sure most of you are still creating your website as per your theme and the content that you guys are doing it for your website. Once everything is done, on this home screen, you will see this particular button, launch site. Okay. Two things require: one, confirm your email ID, the which email ID that you have used for this WordPress site, and second, set your menu, your site menu. Okay, then you can see this button, launch your site. This thing, after once you launch your site, you need to submit that link to Google Form and submit it as a part of your assignment. So the last day is going to be Wednesday till 2 p.m. You can do this. So I'm giving you guys sufficient time to play around in this particular tool and you can launch your website. Okay. Once we do this, then I'll show you how to upload your site, and not even upload, actually the correct word is how to submit your site in Google directory. The word is Google Search Console. I'll just give you a quick tour. Okay, and I'll show you that. So that's like a route, that's like a step. Okay, once your site is ready, then you have to submit to Google Search Console, Google Webmaster Tool, so that it's going to be visible on a Google search. So once your site is ready, you will do that. First of all, guys, make sure and just comment it that all of you right now are on this home page, on WordPress homepage. Should be on this particular screen right now. I don't want to be on a dashboard. I want to be on this home page here. GMB, yes, will take time. But don't worry, you will definitely get a notification from Google Business team. Okay, that's great, Archana. If you already launched your website, Chika, no problem. You will definitely get a message from GMB. Guys, first chat everyone who is currently on this page and understood how to launch your site. It's just a one button, that's all. Once your site is ready, once you've created the content for your website, you selected your theme, you customized it, you can do that. Okay. How to post, how to add a page, I'll just quickly show you and then we'll move further. Okay. Yes, you have to create a site menu. There is also next to site menu, there's going to be that button, okay, which will just give you a quick tour how to do that. Okay, so that's going to be pretty explanatory. You can do that by yourself. That's not a problem. Yeah, Gaurav, we can launch it later. I don't want you to launch your unfinished work, or for that matter, anyone unfinished work. You're gonna complete your website. You're gonna design it the way you want it to. You're gonna put the content, and then you're gonna launch your site. And once you launch that site, your domain will be something like this. So mine is letsupgrade01.wordpress.com. You are going to be whatever the name that you have selected .wordpress.com. That link that you need to submit to Google form. Okay, as a part of your assignment by Wednesday. I will definitely gonna check your site and I'll see your creative quotient, how you have designed, basically. And again, I'm repeating the time is Wednesday, 2 p.m. You have a sufficient time to do it. I'm sure there won't be much of work today as a part of assignment for today's session because I purposely kept it that way so that all of you get a proper time to work on your website. Because in an advanced program, we're gonna definitely use this WordPress website for sure. That's why I'm giving you a proper time so that you can work around. Yes, you're gonna launch self-hosted website, definitely. It's up to you if you want to buy a domain. You can definitely buy it, but right now, rather than focusing on buying a domain or hosting it, that you can do later on, first just make yourself familiar with this particular tool. Okay. Even after launching your website, editing is 110% possible. No doubt about it. Okay. So I assume most of you have understood so far how to launch your website. Quickly, I'll show you one thing. I've seen a couple of questions regarding adding post and adding page. So on a home page, on a left hand side, last option says WP admin. If you click here, you will go to dashboard and the URL will read your domain name .wordpress.com / WP admin. Over here, you will see the page. If you click here, you can add a new page or you can edit existing page. Similarly, post. You will see all posts here. You can add new. Okay, so you can do this. Post is right here, page is right here. And customizing theme, again, I'm repeating it on the dashboard only, the left side navigation bar in appearance section. This is for selecting a new theme. This is to customizing your existing theme. Okay, here again you will see menu. You can customize your menu here. Like you need first home page, then you need about us, then when there's whatever that you need, you can do it here. Okay, so on a WordPress dashboard, you will see this particular thing. Post is for posting something. This is the page you're creating, a service page, you're creating contact us page, you're creating your home page. Appearance is for managing your theme. Either you can buy it, sorry, not buying it, or you can change it something new that you want. And this is something which you're going to use to customize your theme as per your requirement. Okay. Once everything is done, on this home page, click on this button, launch site. So this domain will be live on a Google. Okay. Just stop sharing my screen and just quickly check what people are saying. Abdul, buying option is there on a left hand side navigation. On a dashboard itself, you could see plans. There you can able to buy it. All right. It's not really compulsory to post something, but I would suggest you should know each and every aspect of it. WordPress is not like a Shopify. Shopify is a mainly used for e-commerce. WordPress is mainly for the website where you're not selling something. Is usually for the lead based camping or a service based website, not product specific. AdSense, I can. I'll definitely explain in the concept. There would be no assignment for today's, obviously, because I'm very certain most of you have not yet designed your website. You're still figuring out, you're still understanding and making yourself familiar with the WordPress tool. So there are going to be no assignment, okay, in today's session. You're just gonna understand further concepts. So today we're gonna understand Google Search Console, basics of SEO, how to go about it. Won't be much of technical for sure. And overall how Google Ads work and how social media work. Because in coming session, coming most likely three, or I may have one more session, we're gonna go slightly in detail about social media marketing, Google marketing. That's going to be overall essential course. Okay. All right. It's okay. You cannot. It's not necessary to launch it right now. Only if your site is ready, then definitely you can. If not, then it's fine. Okay. Uh, Now we need to open a Google Search Console. I'll show you how to do it. Sorry. I'm just gonna share my screen, guys. Give me 1 second. You're gonna type Google Search Console, and you need to click here, which says Google Webmaster. You're gonna click here. You need the Gmail account. Okay. Type Google Search Console and look for this particular line, Google Webmaster. Here you're gonna click. Once you click here, I will show you where you will be landing, okay, and how that particular page will look like. Just 1 sec. It looks something like this once you land on Google Search Console after logging with your Gmail account. Okay. So guys, quickly go on a Google Search Console, and once you reach on this particular screen, comment that you have reached Google Search Console. I'll quickly show you how to submit your URL here. But yes, you can't submit self-hosted URL. Once you buy, you can submit that URL here. Okay. Okay. Guys, I need everybody comment that you guys are on this page right now, Google Search Console. Okay. Yes, I've seen several yes, and in most of it. Okay. 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 Cool. All right. And guys, AI need to go slow here in all session for the every season that here I'm not talking to only 5 or 10 people. I'm talking to maybe some hundreds and thousand people who are watching it right now, who gonna watch later on, and they won't be knowing all these things. That's why I have to go definitely slow in essential program for sure. Okay, fine. So once you reach here, so you're typing your URL. Okay, right now we can't be able to submit your self-hosted URL, which is dhavalkamda.wordpress.com. This wordpress.com you cannot submit. You need to have your own domain. Okay, assuming once you have your own domain, I'm just gonna add a URL here, abc.com. Say that is my URL. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'm gonna hit continue. Once it's continue, you will see this particular option. You need to add this particular piece of code. Okay, on a DNS configuration or from wherever you purchase your domain. Now, not to worry, this is very easy part. You can simply watch that video how to connect your WordPress website to a domain or how to verify Google Search Console for website submission. There's videos are available for that. Okay, it is sign in to your provider from wherever that you have purchased. Okay, and then there in a DNS configuration level, you will see this particular txt record. There you have to copy this code, paste it in Notepad. Okay, and then you can upload that. Or else, what you can do directly, you can simply just copy this entire line and upload at DNS configuration level. Okay, I can't show you now because already all sites are right now verified. Okay, but not to worry, as I said earlier, there are videos available which will definitely guide you how to do this particular part. Okay, how to submit your website to Google Search Console if you are using WordPress. There are videos available, but I'm just showing you a step. Once your domain is ready, that you have purchased a domain, come to this particular page, and then you're gonna hit that particular button, verify. Screen will pop up. At the DNS provider, you need to just add this particular code, and then you can just say verify. That's all you have to do to submit your website into Google Search Console. And this is very, very important. If you don't submit this, then it will gonna definitely take a time to rank your website on a Google search page. So this is a requirement that you need to do it. Okay. Right now, I'm just gonna hit remove property because definitely I'm not gonna submit this fake URL here. I'm just gonna remove this. Once this is done, I will show you how Google Search Console look. I already have one Google Search Console ready. I'll just show you the next step. One, so if you want, you can make a note of this. First, come to this particular part, submit your URL, hit verify button. At DNS level, you need to upload or you need to paste txt code. Once that is done on a Google Search Console, you have to upload a sitemap. Simple. Only two steps. One, you need to at the DNS verification is required. You need to submit a txt code there, and second, you need to upload XML file at Google Search Console. Okay. First, just let me know if you understood this particular part. Then I'll show you how Google Search Console looks like. I'll explain the second part also. Wix is good. WordPress is even better. Okay, Wix does offer a pretty cheap rate at hosting as well as domain. I'll repeat my step, no problem. First, I just want to hear the yes who has understand so far. To sign up button theme where we have worked yesterday. I mean that button. There, I will show that later on. Okay, I will show that later on. Okay, guys, I need a maximum yes who's understood so far. Then again, I'll explain for those who haven't. Okay, so I want to just move this further. Okay, great, great. So you can either add a particular https www dot so and so dot com, that is URL prefix, or you can directly add rather in URL prefix. You just use only prefix. Simple as that. WordPress is good. It does provide a good security. Yeah. Now there are many tools out there which is available who offers a good hosting plan as well as good domain plan. There is a GoDaddy, there is a Hostinger, there is XYZ. There are so many. You can just Google this. You will get it. Cool. I'll definitely explain. Kabilash, I will explain. Good answer, foodie food. I don't know your name, but good answer, foodie food. Yes, hosting is basically you're just providing a home to your website. Okay. And here, what you can do is you can buy a yearly plan here. You can also buy 2 yearly plan, depends. Also, WordPress offers a great hosting plan, domain plan, both. It's slightly expensive, uh, but still, it's a good one to have. Okay, for the longer period, you can track your website. You can do SEO activity, which will be doing it. You can do all this Google Analytics link. You can link your GTM. You can do all these things, basically. It's okay. DNS configuration is from where you bought your domain. Okay, if I'm buying a domain from GoDaddy, so on GoDaddy panel, or if I'm buying a domain from Big Rock, okay, from so in that panel I will see this DNS configuration part. There I will definitely find this TXT particular place where I have to upload or I have to just paste that TXT code. Okay, it's very simple, and there are abundance of videos available on the same topic. That how we gonna use Google Search Console. Okay, and how we gonna do this particular part to submit your URL to Google Search Console using WordPress. Yes, Imangi, if you already have a website which is ready, you can directly submit here. If you already bought a domain and all, you can submit your website here, and you can copy that. You can do the DNS configuration, go to that particular panel from where you bought your hosting plan and domain plan. You can go there and paste your TXT code. Okay, how much it will take to launch your website after clicking launch set? See, it's totally free of cost here. Right now we have not purchased anything. Okay, right now we have not purchased any plan yet. It's totally free of cost. Okay, guys, now I'll just quickly show you how Google Search Console looks like. So hold on to your thoughts, and I'll show you how Google Search Console looks like. Just give me a second and I'll share my screen. Yes, Meenakshi, Google Search Console is basically to make your website visible. Is it Akash? Hosting is not doing marketing with Ali. Okay. Anyways, I'll just simply show you Google Search Console. Now hold on to all your thoughts and all eyes on my screen on Google Search Console. Um, just 1 second. I'm sharing my screen and okay. Yes. Guys, you're seeing my screen right now? Just let me know. Yeah. So this is what Google Search Console looks like. Okay. I've already submitted my one of my website here. I could see the performance. I will just show you one important thing. Once you submitted your site to Google Search Console, number one, second step is DNS configuration from wherever that you have bought the hosting plan, the domain, okay, both, specifically hosting plan, say GoDaddy or say you bought it from Big Rock, anywhere. If you go there, look for DNS configuration section. Underneath, you're gonna find TXT filled particularly. Then you need to upload that code which you have fetched from Google Search Console. One, this step is established. Second step. Second step is on a Google Search Console. Here it is. On the left side navigation, you will see this sitemap. Once you've uploaded your submitted a website and done with the DNS configuration part, this is you're gonna do is upload your sitemap here. So automatically your this website appears something like this. All you have to do is just write forward slash is already there sitemap.xml and hit submit. Okay. Again, I'm repeating steps. Pay attention to this. Number one, go to Google Webmaster Tool. Second, submit your website. Third, hit verify button. Fourth, you're gonna configure DNS configuration part from wherever you purchase your hosting plan. Go there and you're gonna just add txt code there. Hit verify. Come back to again Google Search Console. You will see that verify now. Just verify. Once this part is done, come to Google Search Console. Here you will see in the left side navigation sitemap. Okay. All you do is you're gonna get this part okay. If you understood this much, just let me know in the comments, guys.
So your voice was
Yes,
breaking for a
Chandani, you
minute.
have to buy a domain. Yes. XML, you don't need to fetch anything, just you have to mention sitemap.xml. That's all you have to do. Nothing much, nothing less.
So your voice is breaking. We cannot hear you. No, sir. It's still breaking. It's not clear. No, sir. It's still lagging.
This internet problem. And today as well, I'll make sure in
Yeah.
coming
Now
session as
it's
well as
okay.
enough.
Started breaking again, sir.
I will repeat piano again. Guys, I will repeat that. First, make sure that am I audible, my voice is clear, my video is clear. Then definitely I will explain this part once again.
It is perfect now, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely in the next session I will get it done anyhow fixed because anyway already raised a complaint regarding my this net thing. So I understand it's kind of a pain. I get it, guys. I'll make sure you won't face this problem in coming sessions for sure. Okay, 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 okay. All right, all right. Let's upgrade is from which city does not really matter, Techno boy. I don't know again which context you're asking me. It should happen in like less than half an hour for sure. It should happen in the next half an hour. That your site will be up and ready. Your site will be launched. Okay. So I'm just gonna repeat all steps for you. Okay. Number one, you're gonna go to Google Search Console, add your URL, hit continue. Then screen will pop up which says DNS configuration. So you have to go to that particular place where you bought the hosting plan. Go there. At DNS level configuration, you will upload or you will add txt file. Once you do that, come to Google Search Console and you're gonna upload this sitemap. By the way, just stopped sharing my screen. Again, I will share it. Okay. I'll repeat the XML part, guys. You cannot really add free self-hosted website on a Google Search Console. Okay, it's not gonna possible. I'm just adding a steps for you guys so you can just have a look at it. Okay, submit your website to Google Search Console. I'm just writing it. I'm just writing stuff for you, and then I will share my screen. Then yes, level configuration. Need to add txt file. Then I'm just gonna share my screen, guys. So you're gonna make a note of this particular point. It's going to be easier. Submit your website to Google's. Okay. Let's help me with this. Give me 2 minutes. I don't know why it's behaving like this. Second. Give me guys 1 second. I don't know why it was just blinking and blinking out. 1 minute. Okay. Now this should be good. Okay. Guys, let me know if you are seeing this particular sticky note here. So the first step, Google Search Console, which is GSC. Then at DNS level configuration, you're gonna upload txt file. Once this is done, again verify this DNS level configuration from where you have bought your hosting plan. Example, GoDaddy or Big Rock XYZ. Okay, there you will do this particular exercise. Upload your txt file. Once this part is done, second, in Google Search Console, from left side navigation, from left side navigation, you're gonna upload. Click on
So your screen is blank. We cannot see anything.
sitemap. Then you're gonna, yes, sure, it's fine.
Your screen is blank, sir. We cannot
I
see
already
anything.
shared the sticky note. Wait, wait. Okay, I guess now it's visible. Sure, is my screen is visible now?
Yes, sir. Now we can see the notepad.
You will see the notepad, right? You will see the text.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll definitely gonna upload this particular part in my PPT for sure because this is something you will not able to see it. Okay, here I'll definitely upload this part in my PPT. Not a problem. I will do that. Otherwise, you all get confused and then which I don't want. You need to purchase a domain and hosting. It's fine. You just need to understand for now, guys. You just need to understand this how this thing works. Simple. XML file, you just have to write here site.xml. Hit submit. That's all I've done here. Okay, and then you will get this particular thing which says success under status. That's it. You're not doing anything more than this. I hope you guys understand how to add sitemap in Google Search Console. Basically, uploading a sitemap nothing but you just uploading what all pages that you have on your website so that Google able to crawl each of them, Google able to understand each of them. Okay, first you submit the entire website and then you break it down by uploading a sitemap. Okay, just like a navigation, basically, nothing much. Cool. So sitemap is very, very simple. From the left hand side navigation, you just have to click here, sitemap, add site.xml, hit submit button, and that's all. This is how we're gonna reach to this particular part. Simple as that. Hosting and domain both are not free, guys. You need to pay for that. And again, I'm repeating, there is no assignment in today's session. There's going to be only the website part, which I've showed you yesterday, and that you have to submit by Wednesday 2 p.m. Do not complete this part if you don't understand. You just need to understand the overall concept and the steps. Okay, it's completely fine. Now you know, okay, after creating a website, you need to do this particular thing, which is Google Search Console submission. That's all. It's very much okay if you're not doing it practically. You just need to understand once a website is ready, you bought the hosting, you bought the domain, you submitted a website in Google Search Console, and you have uploaded the sitemap. This is the process so that Google crawler can crawl your website. And why again sitemap is basically you just break it down to Google. These are my individual pages which site contains. Okay, so it's even easier for Google to crawl your entire website. Okay, and it's gonna be visible on Google search. It's sitemap.xml. Sitemap.xml. It's sitemap sitemap.xml. Exactly what I type here, what I submitted here, same thing you have to do it here. Now imagine that there are 10 people who are watching right now. each of them can't be able to purchase at that very moment. That's why I'm not really telling you to purchase right now the hosting plan and the domain plan. I'm just telling you to understand this particular steps and the process. That's all. Once you're ready, your site is ready, you have some reason to launch your website, then you go about purchasing a hosting plan and a domain thing. Until then, you just understand the concept. So once you know the concept and once you're ready with your content, you can go about launching your website. Okay. All right. So guys, just write in the comment that you guys have understood the Google Search Console. So that we can move forward to our second and third topic. Clear. Great. 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 Now we're gonna understand what is on-page activity and what is off-page activity. Okay. I'll just in 2 minutes I'll just share my screen. I will show you what is mean by on-page activity and what do you mean by off-page activity. Today I'm just gonna explain you briefly what it is. Okay. Basically, Google Search Console is where you're gonna submit your website so that Google can quickly pick your website, crawl it, they can crawl it, and it going to be visible on Google search page. That's why we have learned and we have understand Google Search Console. It's a directory where you have to submit your website to get a visibility on Google search page. Okay. Akshay is asking what is the use of creating a free WordPress account if it can't be searched or crawled on Google SEO? So, if it is satisfactory purpose, will it suffice the need of creating an online CV using it? See, right now we just understand the concept. We are not really creating a website, we're just understanding it, how it's done. As simple as that. Guys, I'm sharing my screen in a minute and I'll show you the stuff that you need for on page SEO and the off page SEO. One second, I'm almost done, guys. Okay, I'm done. Okay, guys, let me know if you're seeing my screen. Yeah, I guess guys, this is something is really, really a problem here. I'm just gonna zoom this. Wait a second. Okay. 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 Is visible? Should I zoom it even further? Okay. Awesome. Awesome. So, guys, on page and off page. And again, guys, you have keep on saying and commenting this. I'm seeing the few people all comments that why slow. There's a requirement for going slow, guys. That this is the very basic structure. I don't know how many of you gonna take it further from this particular level in advance. Okay, so here it's basically meant for the beginner level, which goes up to intermediate scale. So I have to go to this particular pace so that everybody who's watching it today, considerably their first session, or they're gonna maybe discontinue after this. I don't really know. Okay, so I just have to make sure even beginner can understand this particular process. That's why I have to always go slow in my initial sessions, particularly in this beginner program. In advance, it's going to be definitely a different. Okay, cool. So the first thing first. So there is something first called a title tags. Title tag. You basically cite individual web pages name. You have to name it properly, very correctly. So if it is a home page, so what you can write, say your business name is XYZ Digital Marketing Agency. Your home page will definitely say the same line. Okay. XYZ Digital Marketing Agency. At the most, you can add the location. So if somebody searches on Google search that digital marketing agency in Pune, so if your title, the particular that web page title is XYZ Digital Marketing Agency at Pune, your site likely to pick up. Okay, the tags. Also the page description. There's all thing. There is a one plugin in a WordPress which is called as Yoast SEO. Okay, or you can say SEO Yoast, YOAST. It's a plugin which you can use for SEO activity. Okay, so there you can actually write each pages, tags, and the description, what the page is all about, and the page title. Okay, that is a title tag. Okay. I'll go slow. I'll show. Let's do one thing. I'll show one website. Okay? Let's just take an example. I'll show you one example. Okay, guys. I'll show this example so that you can able to understand what actually I mean by this. The title tags. Give me 1 second. I'll just show you that. Is a title tag for a website, not for the WordPress. It's for a WordPress website. Okay? Okay? Sharing my screen. And now we can able to see it. The title tag. Okay, guys, can you see my screen? Just let me know, or I'm just okay. Just 1 second. I'm checking it. Okay. So guys, I'm explaining you the title tag and page URL structure. Okay, both. This is going to be easy, and you can take cue from this particular how they write the title. Just 1 second, guys. I'm just checking on my phone as well, and I'll proceed once I see my screen is visible to you all. Okay. All right. My screen is now visible. In next 1 minute, definitely can able to hear it properly. This is the only session, guys, where you will seeing this problem for sure. It happened in previously as well, and today is happening now. But in next session, definitely it won't be the any case. I'm gonna get it fixed. My internet. Yeah, Gaurav, I know it's very annoying and it's very difficult because when I'm sharing something, when I'm going live, then only I'm facing such problem. But when I'm working, it's kind of working fine. So, anyways, I'll already raise a complaint to my internet provider, and by next session is going to be perfectly fine. Social media marketing is there from like in the coming Sunday. I would say will begin the social media marketing. Thanks, Pranav, for wishing me. Thank you. Okay, sure. When you are saying you want to join us, let us know. Then I'm looking forward. Yes, Vanshika, all thing will be there. All thing will be there. SEO marketing, email marketing. We'll not be having email marketing like technically here, but the briefing and the logic, how to go about it, it's definitely going to be there in our session for sure. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'll give you a party, Akash. Thank you guys. Thank you. We're just now gonna just focus on our lecture, guys, because the net is really behaving very funnily, which I definitely don't want. Thank you, guys. Thank you, all of you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Yeah, Abdul, I'll give you a party when lockdown open. We all catch up, and I'll give you a party to all of you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I know, guys. Internet is definitely behaving not the way that I expected, but in definitely a coming Saturday, it's going to be fixed. Like in the next session that we're gonna meet, it's going to be definitely fixed. There won't be any problem for sure. I'll fix it. Thank you, guys. Damn. Well, I didn't expect, man, how you figured that out my birthday, but thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much. Well, Geo anyway, Gaurav is not that great though because I already have one GeoNet. It's Airtel, but today my actually not today from last 2 days systems it's not working properly. That's why 100%. Man, actually, yeah, the net is the bigger problem. Let me just check who is behind the stream right now. Okay, there's no one right now at this moment. Maybe they are busy in a different stream. No, guys, we need to do it today. We just need to get it done. Our basics first. Guys, just give me one small favor if that is possible for you all. I'm sure today's session is not really going the way I expected and I've planned because of the net and the voice issue. Can we have this session on one of the working day, if that is possible? Because I'll instead of straight Saturday, if that is possible. Abdul, sorry, dear, I can't possible to do that. Just give me 1 second. Stopping it. I don't want to do for the recorded thing, definitely. I don't want to do it recorded because then defeat the purpose. I want it to live. The way we had our first two session was definitely was good. Yesterday, yes, there was a problem. Today, definitely we are facing one. So really, really, I don't want this to continue. That's why I want this live interaction so that I can solve your apprehension, I can solve your doubts, everything in a live chat. That's why I'm asking you. I want to meet you before Saturday. So just if that's possible for you all, just let me know in the comments which day. If it is a good Friday, then definitely I will make that. If that's possible, say about Friday, if that is possible, just let me know. I don't want to go with the recorded one. 110% sure. I want the live session. That's the whole purpose. That's why. So guys, as I just need all your vote right now, quickly. All of you who are watching right now. Uh, Tomorrow already have a one session, and I'm sure tomorrow definitely it will not get fixed. So if it is Friday is done, then definitely I want it Friday. We can have Saturday and Sunday, all 3 day continues. I'm just even dropping this. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If it is good, then definitely I want to connect on Friday the same time, guys. Though it's not, I'm overing right now. I'm just saying it. I definitely, guys, make sure my internet get fixed for sure.
Sir?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. You're clearly audible. Tell me, sir.
Yeah, the thing is now from yesterday itself, I'm facing this particular night thing. It's going as well today. So I just stop one particular point and then I ask the chat if Friday is good fit for them. So we can have 3 days in a row. Okay.
Yes, sir. No issues,
So
sir.
majority of it did say that Friday is definitely a good fit for them. I just want you to also formally announce in the Let's Upgrade the digital marketing forum as well as on the website that Friday the same time I wanted the same session because mostly today day after my the system not system the net gonna get
Correct, sir.
definitely get fixed the way it used to be in a first two session. Because otherwise, I don't want this thing to continue like this way. It's not
Correct,
really
sir.
a good
No.
experience which I'm giving to viewers right now who are watching it or who may watch it later on.
Okay, sir. So yes, guys. So the same session will be conducted on the Friday. So your next session will be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So let me check the dates. Just a
Yeah, just
second.
checking it because most of it did say yes. Most of it.
Okay, sir. Yes. So your next session will be on 4th of September. 4th, 5th, and 6th will be your next sessions. So yes, same time, sir. We can do it same time, right, sir?
Yes, sir. Same time, same time. Also, at the meanwhile, also now you can quickly create that poll in the Let's Upgrade group only, the digital marketing one. There also.
Correct. Yes, sir.
But anyway, we are still having. Which day it is? It's the 4th of September, right?
4th of September, Friday, sir. Sir,
Yeah. So
in somewhere
4th.
we'll announce it in community also. Everywhere we'll announce it, sir. No issues.
I'm also writing in the comment section 4th, 5th, and 6th.
Correct.
I'm also typing it because I still remember first two session was definitely good, but yesterday it just started very radically.
No issues, sir.
Yeah, most of it are saying is all fine.
Yes, sir.
Final exam is good. I will announce that, guys. Final about the exam. Definitely will announce that. Be rest
So
assured
no
about
need
it.
of video attendance. No need of today's attendance. We'll take it on Friday again. And yes, for Friday, sir, they are saying like after 5 p.m. So okay, we'll have check on the timings and all. We'll let you know the timing in the community and all the connecting platforms. Don't worry about that. So we'll let you know. Okay, sir. Then we can
Yeah,
wrap up the session for today. Then
yeah, we can. I'm just saying that final last 2 3 minutes chat what they are saying. I mean, most of it did agree with. Some they are saying like 4:35, and but the Fridays people are definitely ready. So yeah, I'm just seeing it.
sir, is there any assignment or is there any practice work or
I
we'll
mean,
give it on?
the assignment which they already are given is the website. They will create the
Okay,
website. Deadline for that is a Wednesday, 2 p.m. Okay,
okay, sir. Yes, sir.
so
So
that
you
is
can carry on with some doubts. Let's take up some doubts and all, and then we can wrap up the session then.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, 5 4 5 4. Yes, guys,
Yeah.
we'll discuss about the timings and then we'll let you know, sir. We'll let you know everyone what will be the timings.
Sure, sure, sure. Because most of it are saying the same thing. Like 4 5 is good.
Correct,
Okay,
correct, sir.
okay. So 4th September, 4 p.m. Friday, we're gonna have a session, and then in row Saturday as well as a Sunday. Okay, chat. This is something we are finalizing it,
Correct, sir.
and website is definitely enough for you to submit as a part of your assignment. Wednesday, 2 p.m. is the deadline for submitting your website URL which you're gonna launch. Okay.
Okay, so there is a submission form in the description. You need to submit the URL over there. All the assignment you need to submit in our assignment submission form. Either you can submit your GitHub repo day wise, like let's say day 4 assignment, or either you can directly submit us the screenshot or photo or whichever file it is. There is both the option available in our assignment submission form.
Yeah. So here, see Harsh. So what they will do is now they just gonna launch their website and then submit the URL. Okay. If they would like to take a screenshot of the final launch, they can do it, not a problem. But ideally, they will submit their name, details, and the final URL. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I guess chat is pretty good enough to reply it very quickly. And yeah, yeah. Thank you guys so much. We'll connect on Friday, September 4th at 4 p.m.
Sir,
Okay, guys.
let's not convey the timing. Timing we'll discuss once more. So we'll
Still,
create
okay.
some poll.
Sure, sure. So we'll still confirm the timing, guys. But one thing is for sure that we will be connecting on 4th September,
Yes,
Friday. Then we'll
yes,
be having a lecture back to back on Saturday as well as on Sunday. That is for sure.
yes, sir. Yes,
And
that is
don't
for
worry
sure.
about the attendance, guys. We're gonna again record the same on Friday. Okay. Okay, guys. Harsh, we can wrap this up for sure.
Okay, sir. So do you want to continue? Any doubts or anything? Do you guys have any doubts? Like we can take 5 or 10 minutes, then we can wrap it up.
Huh, just take a last 5 minutes, 5:20. Let's just take last 5 minutes. And yeah, then we'll wrap it up. Yeah, as those who understood, they can live. They can live definitely, and we'll connect on Friday. Great, guys. Great, great, great. Suddenly, all people are super happy, na? कि all get chutti today, which definitely wasn't a planned thing, guys, but just happened because of my net. So yeah, and thank you guys that you have agreed on Friday.
Uh, okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Anime,
Okay.
Animesh, there will be a option in the submission form itself to upload a file.
When you launched your website, now you know the URL. You can just type the same URL and a Google, then you will see yes, your website is ready. Yes, Archana, whoever launched their website, whoever, they can still go about it and they can still edit it or they can add anything. It's nothing like, well, if you done once, then you cannot do it. Okay, guys, thank you so much, guys. It's good to go now. We'll see you on Friday. Again, we're gonna confirm the time with you. We're gonna announce on our Telegram group, on our digital group, everywhere. So be rest assured about it.
Yes, sir. Okay, guys. So we take your leave now. So me, Harshraj from Let's Upgrade, and me, sir, Dhaval sir is there. We are signing off from Let's Upgrade channel. See you all on Friday. So make sure you are subscribing to the channel so that you get the notification. Like the videos, of course. If you are learning good, if you are gaining good knowledge from us,
Yeah,
and yes, share with your friends. We want more crowd, we want to reach to maximum people, so share with your
yeah.
friends. And yes, sir, so we'll take their leave.
Sure. Okay, guys. Take care, guys. Bye bye.